channel is women supporting women. Ignore my background because I'm not in the mood to arrange anything. I just feel like talking. Before I continue, let's do some introductions. If this is your first time of seeing my face, my beautiful face, my name is IDAK. I'm a mom. I'll just share what's working for me, what I've done, this past years, and also just talk about life in general, right? I've been in the childcare space for a decade. Oh my goodness. I'm now retired. What I love to do right now is just to walk, go outside and walk to maintain my weight. I've lost over 15 kg since I started this whole weight loss thing. I've lost over 15 kg. I love to help women to build communities around their businesses, around their health. If you love my face, subscribe and hit that notification so that whenever I drop a new video, you go see my face, you see my face. So let's get right back into today's topic. Yeah, I've been walking, I've been walking around. I just been walking every day. I go for my daily walks, and goodness me, it has helped with the way I think. It's helped with my sleep. It has actually, I used to have cellulite. I'm skinny, not like skinny. I'm a size 10, but I used to have cellulite. My cellulites are getting better. Like a lot is going on with my cellulite. I'm so much better without that cellulite, man. I can wear shorts. Now I can wear shorts and I'm very confident wearing my shorts around. So I'll continue walking. I'll continue building my community around walking. I'm going to start meeting up with. What I noticed is a lot of people that are watching me, because my Instagram is very busy and my Facebook is busy. A lot of people are coming to my inbox, talking to me even when they see me one-to-one, like, oh, ID, I started walking. I'm really enjoying this walking. My cellulite is gone. I'm getting so many testimonies from walking. I actually feel like a lot of people have been encouraged by this my daily walks, and they're actually doing it, especially when you get to a certain age. Man, going to the gym can be, I'm not a gym girl. I wish one day I'll be able to wake up and just start going to the gym, but for now I walk, and the walking is doing a whole lot. So I'm going to do a lot of walking. I'm going to do a lot of my simple recipes. I love to just stay in the kitchen and carry this one, add to this one, and just eat. So I'll keep on doing that. If you love to walk, or if you're a woman that feels, you want to lose weight, or you want to maintain your weight, and you're thinking, so many things are being said on the internet. You just want something simple that works. This is where you will get the simple thing. Let's just go out together. Let's walk and then just keep supporting each other. Before I go, I've got a freebie for my bestie for you. If you want to know exactly where to start with walking and how to do it, I've got a free 7-day guide where it will show you what to do within 7 days to just kickstart the whole walking thing. And after 7 days, you're going to know exactly what to do. Okay? It's in the description below. Click on it, grab your copy, and then come back to this comment and tell me how you felt about this free guide. I want to hear. Okay? If you love what I'm doing and if you love my face, please support me by just saying hey in the comment. Just say hey sis, I see you sis in the comment, and share my videos. Support me and encourage me on this journey, because I will come back. I want to keep coming back to reports. Hey, this is what YouTube did. Hey, I got this on YouTube. Hey, I got 220 followers. Hey, 100 followers. Hey, that. I love that vibe. I love that energy. Yes. So see you in my next video. I've tried now. Before you go, you might want to watch this video. It's one of my old videos, which is still very helpful to you. Watch it and learn how to lose weight in a slow and steady pace. Okay? Remember, I always say this: be healthy and do healthy. All the time, oh. Take care. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. Bye. I'm back on YouTube.